Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the Coding Geeks. In today's tutorial, we're gonna learn about tables, how we're gonna apply tables in a HTML document. So, what are tables? Tables are a combination of rows and columns, or it can be defined as a table is a matrix consisting of row and columns. So, how do we define a table in a HTML document? We define a table in HTML document with the help of table tag. A table tag consists of other tags such as table row, table header, and table data. So a table row is defined with the tr tag, a table header is defined with the th tag, and table data is defined with the td tag. So by default, table headings are bold and centered. So here's the format of the table, how table is used in a HTML document. So first we open the table, then we open the tr tag, then we place the table headers, we close the table row, then we again open the table row, we place all the data using the table data tag in the table, we close the table row and we close the table tag. You'll understand how the table works when we execute in the Visual Studio Code. So let us execute the table. So before we proceed with the table, I forgot to mention a really important point, a really important tag in the from the previous videos. The important thing is that whenever we use HTML5, we need to use doc type HTML. So the doc type HTML, what it does is it converts the previous version HTML to HTML5. So always when you're using HTML5, you need to type in the doc type in caps and with the exclamatory mark, then space HTML. Then you have open the HTML tag, head tag, title. Then we are keeping it the title as tables. We close the header and we open the body. So always remember we need to have the doc type exclamatory mark HTML for HTML5 codes. So let us type the table. So we have the table tag and the table tag. Then we open the table row, then table heading. Let us keep it as name. Close the th. Again we need one more table heading. The age. Close the th and close tr. Let us have two headings so that it is easier to understand. And we'll again open the tr tag, paste the table data using the td plus Peter, close table data, and the table data again, plus 20, and close the tr. And again, if you want to insert another name, so we have to open the tr again and open the td press JSON, close the table data, open the table data again, press 22, close the table data, close the table row, close the table tag, close the body, HTML, save it. Keep it as 9th.html. Go to the place we had saved. Double open the HTML document. So this is how the table works. So here's the table heading name and age, and the table data Peter, there is 20, Jason, there is 22. So this is how the table looks. If you want to add border, any style to it, you can place it at the table tag. That's how it works. So this is how the basic understanding of how the table works in a HTML document. I hope you understood the concept of tables in this tutorial. I hope you liked the video, you share the video, you subscribe to my channel. Please share this video. Tell it about my channel to your friends and everyone, and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss the future updates. Thank you.